Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Chrome Remote Desktop. In this video, I will show you how to use Chrome Remote Desktop to remotely access your computer from another device. So let's get started. Type Chrome Remote Desktop in search bar and click on the first link. Here you can see Remote Access button. Click on this button. To set up remote access, click on this download button. You need to install Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Click Add to Chrome and add extension. This will take few seconds. Now turn on Remote Desktop. Here you can change your PC name or click next with this name. Now set up your PIN. You need PIN to access this PC from another device. After entering your PIN, click Start. Now you just need an internet connection to access your PC from anywhere. Now install Google Chrome Remote Desktop application in your mobile. Go to Play Store and search for Google Chrome Remote Desktop. You can see this application. Install this application in your phone. Open the application. Keep this in mind, you should be logged in with same Google account in your mobile. You can see your PC name you have set up. Click on this desktop. Enter your PIN here you have set up on your PC. Now you can see your PC screen on your mobile phone. You have accessed your PC remotely. You can also rotate screen to get full view on your PC screen. That's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful and that you are now able to use Chrome Remote Desktop to access your computer remotely. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.